Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to restore all your archived posts to your Facebook profile using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open Facebook on your PC by typing facebook.com in your web browser and logging into your account. Step 2. Next, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the Facebook homepage to open your profile. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on the 3 dots to access additional options. Step 4. In the Options menu, click on Archive. Step 5. From the left-hand side menu, click on Archive again. Step 6. Now, click on Posts Archive to access your archived posts. Step 7. Check the box next to All to select all of your archived posts. Step 8. Finally, click on Restore to bring back all the selected posts to your Facebook profile. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to restore all your archived posts to your Facebook profile using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can easily bring back your old posts and share them with your friends and followers once again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.